Hey YouTube, how's it going? I thought I would document these beautiful tomatoes that I have and tell you what I've found so far by harvesting them and processing them. I got 3 tomatoes last year from an Amish dairy farmer 2 hours from us that we sell oats by the feedback to. I just was curious about his tomatoes and he went and got me some, and he called them Italian. Well, I looked on the internet. There is no such thing as an Italian tomato. So I was talking to one of my neighbors about them, and she said they might be sausage tomatoes. Well, at this point, I don't care what they're called as long as they work for me. And so far, they are a delight to peel and a delight to chop. They don't fall apart, and there's not that many seeds or juice in them, and they just hold their shape. So, and look, they're so big. And then I have these over here, and I'll put the name of those on the screen. They're pretty good as well. And yes, we're just gonna look at this eye candy for now. I just can't get over how big they are. I mean, I'm gonna let these ripen over the weekend here. Then over here, I got rain damage, of course, but if I process them today, they won't be too much harm. And I got my San Maranos here. These are good. Cut in half and put in the dehydrator with dried oregano, basil, and thyme and salt and pepper on them. They take a long time to dehydrate, but they are so worth it. And you got to keep flipping them to keep them getting dry quick. And when they're dry, it tastes like pizza sauce in your mouth. My oldest nephew loves those when he comes over. And I got some early girls because my husband always thinks that summer is not complete without tomatoes, so he complains when we don't have them coming in soon enough. Because around here it takes to mid-August to even get a tomato. And then with the San Maranos, I like to make sweet and sour sauce. And it's a lot of labor, especially when you want 3 batches of it. There's some damage. But you cut them in half and you stick your finger in to deseed them. Then you run them through the food mill. But it is so good when you can just open up the jar in the winter, heat up the sauce, and I heat up a jar of canned pork butt and serve that over either mashed potatoes or rice. It is an easy meal that way. I supposedly have Amish paste tomatoes in here. Maybe that's one. So I have to figure out what I'm going to do with these today. I think I'll make ketchup. And I better get on the stick because it's almost noon. So, alright folks, I hope you've enjoyed this video. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe and you'll learn lots of food preservation here. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. God bless.